Think you need a big budget to market your business? Think again. Today, I'll share simple and powerful ways to promote your business without breaking the bank. Let's get into it. Number 1. Use social media. Start with free platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Post helpful, fun, or behind-the-scenes content that connects with your audience. Be consistent, use hashtags, and engage with comments to grow naturally. Number 2. Create valuable content. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or even short-form videos. Share tips, how-to, or industry insights. This builds trust and positions you as an expert for free. Number 3. Email marketing. Collect emails using a simple free tool like MailChimp. Send weekly tips, updates, or special offers. Email is one of the cheapest and most effective marketing tools out there. Number 4. Collaborate. Partner with other small businesses or influencers in your niche. You can do shoutouts, joint giveaways, or even share each other's content. Win-win, and totally budget-friendly. Number 5. Use Google My Business. If you run a local business, list yourself on Google My Business. It's free and helps you show up in local searches and Google Maps, powerful for attracting nearby customers. Marketing doesn't have to cost a lot. With a little creativity and consistency, you can grow your business even on a tight budget. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and share your favorite low-cost marketing tip in the comments.